would like to talk to you in this video about how we name angles. The first thing I want to do is talk to you about some of the definitions of the little areas of the angles. So this part right here, the point where the two sides meet, is called the vertex. V-E-R-T-E-X, the vertex. These, as I just said, are called the sides. So in this angle, I have two sides. One of the sides is called AB, and it's a segment, as you can see. The other side is called AC. But to name that vertex right here, or to name this angle, I can call it angle, and I show that little sign, angle BAC. Or I could say angle CAB. Now, what do you notice about both of those? You should notice that the A is in the center of both of those things. So whenever you name an angle, the letter of the actual angle has to be in the center to name it, but you can name it either way. Another thing I would like to tell you is what we call interior and exterior. This is called the interior of the angle. This is the interior. It means the inside of the angle, okay? This is all the exterior, outside. By the way, if you ever go to Home Depot, you can buy interior paint for inside and exterior paint for the outside of your house. And may I just say that the exterior paint costs more because they have to make it so that it's good for outside. So they add more sand or something to make it so it holds up in our hot Arizona weather. All right, now here are two angles that are put together. And this poses a problem when we want to name these angles, because now, even though M looks like the big giant vertex, it's actually two vertexes. So I can't call this whole angle by a certain thing. If I want to call just this part, just this angle right here, okay, just this little angle right there, I can call it angle A, M, B, and I'll put the angle sign there, or I can call it angle B, M, A. And then this one down here, I can call it angle B, M, C, or I could call it angle C, M, B. But in any case, notice that we still have the middle vertex is right in the center each time. So make sure that you understand that. And the last thing I would like to review with you, because I think this is a review for most of you, is how we name these angles. Now, this angle, the first one, is called an acute angle because it is less than 90 degrees. The second one, we don't know it yet, but the minute I put this little box here, that means that this is a right angle and it's 90 degrees. This angle here is called an obtuse angle because it's greater than 90 degrees. And this straight line, although it's not very straight, is just called straight, S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T angle, and it's 180 degrees. Actually, it's two 90s. Can you see that? 90 here and 90 here, so it's just 180.